Dear students, today we will solve the questions based on addition and subtraction of rational numbers. We simplify 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 9. As you can see, there is a minus sign between these two rational numbers and plus sign between these two rational numbers. Now to solve it, add or subtract, you have to take the LCM of denominators. So first we take the LCM of denominators, and denominators are 5, 3 and 9. And these are divisible by 3. Okay, then divide it by 3. 3, 1, 3, 3, 9. Again divide by 3. 5, 1, 1. And now divide by 5. Now the LCM will be 3 into 3 into 5. That will be 45. 3, 3, 9. 9, 5. 45. So LCM is 45. Okay. Now further step, you know very well. Divide that denominator LCM by denominator. So divide 45 by 5. What will you get? You will get 9. Okay, 5, 9, 45. And multiply 9 by 4. You will get 36. Now divide 45 by 3. You will get 15. Okay. And multiply 15 by 2. That will be 30. Now divide 45 by 9. You will get 5. And multiply 5 by 7. You will get 35. Okay. Now solve it. 36 minus 30. You will get 6. When one is plus, another is minus, then you will do subtraction. 6 plus 35 upon 45. Now 6 plus 35, you know, 41. Both are plus, same sign. You will do addition. 41 by 45. Now it is proper number. Okay, and even already in lowest form. So that will be your answer. 41 by 45. Clear? Now I am taking one more example of simplification. Like 4 by 5 minus, next is minus 7 by 10 minus 11 by 20. Okay. Now always follow BODMAS rule. And now you can see here is a bracket. So according to BODMAS rule, solve bracket first. Or you can open the bracket. That is your wish. Okay. Now here is minus sign outside the bracket. So you can open this bracket. 7 by 10 will become minus 7 by 10. Because when there is minus sign outside the bracket, the numbers inside the bracket change their signs. Now it will be plus 11 by 20. Because it is minus, it will change to plus. Now take the LCM of 5, 10 and 20. And you know very well, when the largest number is divisible by the smaller number, then the largest number will be your LCM. 20 is divisible by 10, 20 is divisible by 5. So the LCM will be 20. Okay. Now you know next step. Divide the LCM by denominators. 20 by 5, you will get 4. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Now divide 20 by 10. What will you get? 2 and multiply 2 by 7, 14 plus divide 20 by 20, you will get 1 and multiply 1 by 11. Okay. Now 16 minus 14, 2. 2 plus 11 upon 20 and 2 plus 11, 13 by 20. Okay. When you will open the bracket, if there is minus sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Okay. So it will be minus 7 by 10 plus 11 by 20. And you know very well how to solve rational numbers, how to add or subtract rational number. First step, take their LCMs of denominators. Is that clear? Yes. So let's take some more examples. Now solve 3 1 by 7 plus minus 5 by 14 plus minus 7 by 12 and plus 5 is to 3 by 4. So first step, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. And 3 7, 21, 21 and 1, 22 by 7 plus minus 5 by 14. Always prefer to write negative rational numbers inside the bracket. Now plus minus 7 by 12, 5 4, 20, 20 and 3, 23 by 4. Now in next step, we will open the brackets. Now 22 by 7 and now here is plus sign outside the bracket. So sign inside the bracket will remain as such. So it will be minus 5 by 14. Now here is plus sign again. So it will be same minus 7 by 12 plus 23 by 4. And now you know very well. Now we will take the LCM of denominators. 7, 14, 12 and 4. Okay. So first it will be divisible by 2. 7, 2 7, 14, 2 6, 12, 2 2, 4. Now again by 2. 7, 7, 3 and 1. Now divide by 3, 1, 1 and now by 7. Okay. Now the LCM will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12 and 12 into 7, 84. Okay. So the LCM will be 84. And you know one thing, the LCM is always divisible by all these denominators. If it is not divisible by any denominator, it means your LCM is wrong. Because LCM is multiple and multiples always divisible. Okay. Now divide 84 by 7. You will get 12. Now multiply 22 by 12. What will you get? 264. Okay. Now divide 84 by 14. You will get 6. Now multiply 6 by 5. You will get 30. And divide 84 by 12. You will get 7. And multiply 7 by 7. You will get 49. Plus divide 84 by 4. You will get 21. Multiply 23 by 21. Then what will you get? 483. You will get 483. Now, solve this. First, you can add plus plus or minus minus, or you can do stepwise. First solve these two, then the answer which come solve with 49 and then so on. Is that clear? So it is your wish how to solve. So I am taking order wise. First 265 4 minus 30. So 264 minus 30. What will you get? 4, 3, 234. Okay. And the greater number is plus. So the sign will be plus. Now 234 minus 49. Then what will you get? 14 minus 9, 5. 12 minus 4, 8. And it will be 1. 185. And it will be also of plus sign because plus is greater. Now 185 and 483. Both are of same sign. Plus. Then what will you do? Addition. 5, 3, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 16. 1, 668. It means you will get 668 by 84. Now you can see both are divisible by 2. It means you have to convert this improper number to their lowest form. So both are divisible by 2. Even you can find the HCF of these two numbers and then cancel both the numerator and denominator by HCF and you will get the lowest form. Or you can do step by step. First by 2, then by 2, then by 4. Depends upon on which it will be divisible. So first 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 4 and 2, 2. Now again divisible by 2 because the last digit is even number and even number. 2, 1, 2, 6, 12, 1, 2, 7, 14. Now you will get 2, 2, 4, 2, 1. And now we will see whether these two are divisible by same number or not. 167 and 21. And you know 21 is divisible by 3 and 7 and 21 itself. Now check whether 167 will be divisible by 3 or not. 6, 1, 7 or 7, 14. Here you can use your divisibility rules. No, it is not divisible by 3. Now check for 7. No, it is not divisible by 3 as well as by 7. It means this is the lowest form of 668 by 84. So it will be 167 upon 21 and convert into mixed number. 21. Divide 21. 167 by 21. Okay. So first check for 8. Yes. It is not divisible by 8 because 168 is greater than 167. Now check for 7. Yes. 147. Now you will get 7 is to 20 by 21. This will be your answer. There. So first step, open the brackets. If there is plus sign outside the bracket, the sign will remain as such. If there is minus sign outside the bracket, then the sign will change inside the brackets. And then take the LCM of denominators and solve it. Is that clear?